fantastic. Well, Slovenia is absolutely beautiful. It's overcome all expectations, that's for sure. And as I said, 3 new friends. All is good. Great holiday. So thank you.
It was a good reason as well. I was watching the beautiful scenery in Slovenia, wasn't paying attention and straight over the handlebars. So, the Slovenian landscape is beautiful, it's dangerous.
Yeah, great, yeah. Well, not all the time. There was some pain, you know, but we had the 2 girls pulling us around, and yeah, we had good fun on the team. So yeah, it was a great race. Well done, well done.
No, but I think we're quite a good humour group anyway. Don't know if that's the Irish spirit or not. So yeah, so we not only wanted an adventure, but we wanted to really enjoy it, and we've got to know each other, and I suppose got to know ourselves as well. You know, I think that's one thing about adventure racing. You definitely get to know, even maybe not even the good bits, but the bad bits about yourself as well.
It's been a fantastic race. I don't know that I do any more than 50 hours now, so it was enough. Very long, but very enjoyable. Great time.
Yeah, better than yesterday and the night before yesterday. Yeah, because we were quite sick and it was really difficult. So, but today it was okay. Yeah, we expected to skip some control, but it was possible to take all, so it was good.
So it was different as used to be, but maybe the weather, it's really tough. So and also maybe there is 1 long trekking section on the beginning and then 2 long mountain biking sections. So it was not changing so fast, but long stages. So this was the main differences.
Zdaj ne bom bi lagala, če bi rekla, nisem nič utrujena, ne, malo utrujena vsekakor sem, ne, ampak kot vidite, smo prišli z nasmeškom v cilj, kar pomeni, da bi lahko še malo tekmovali, ampak smo pa tudi veseli, da je vsega konec.
Ja, ne bi rekel, glih kriza, malo smo mogli taktiko prilagoditi vremenskim razmeram, ker nam je bil glavni cilj, da prijemo v Velenje celi, živi in zdravi. Danes nam je uspelo vse točke pobrati, tako da smo ful zadovoljni. In to je to, zmaga na celi ran, lahko rečem.
This year was very nice biking stages. It was nice view, and during the night was full moon, so moonlight was very beautiful on the top of the mountains. Yeah, it was a pleasure for my soul.
Igor Bahor is our potter.
Ja, odločili smo se še pobrati gor pod Radojčem, Ramškem vrhu, te se 2 kontroli, ampak pol je bilo pa polno bikov, pa ograj, pa elektrike, tako da res ni šlo tako mod. Gor je šlo v redu, sam dol pa tisko sem že imel, aha, se tu je pa 15 minut na klinci. 25 minut, ne, več. 45 minut smo se dol spuščali. Ja. Pa pozabil sem names, da je še polno enih klancev za polinat, pa ne vem kaj se. Ful naporno. Samo tole, kar je bilo pa zdaj, kar se nam je na koncu zgodilo, pa
Razlog je bil zelo preprost. Avanturo poznam že nekaj časa, jo sledim sicer tako bolj površno, ker to ni ravno moje področje, je pa kar nekaj mojih kolegov plezalcev se ukvarjalo s tem. Tako da tisti hip, ko sem zvedel, da želite, da sodelujem, odkrito priznam, da sem bil počaščen. Bilo mi je veselje, vem, da so naše poti po naravi, ki nam je vsem nekako ena velika vodnica in učiteljica, na nek način tudi zelo podobne. In tudi kot športni pedagog, ker že več kot 30 let delam na tem področju, je to moj pogled pravzaprav na eno doživljanje naravo skozi športne napore. Tako da absolutno zelo simpatiziram s takim načinom tekmovanja v narekovajih, ker to je vendarle nekako druženje po eni strani in pomoč prijatelju, tudi to, da mora biti ekipa mešana, to je pravzaprav še dodaten čar teh zadev in najbolj pa to, da so organizatorji, da ste uspeli spraviti skupaj tako veliko stvar in to zdaj že, kot slišim 11. zapored, vse priznanje in spoštovanje, torej tako organizatorjem kot tudi jasno pa tekmovalcem.